Good part of the day to everyone. Today, students of BDA 88 group, bank and audit course, members of the team Broken Minds, me, Adil Feller, and my groupmate Sumedin Murfais will cover the topic how European Union does assess digital transformation. But before starting the presentation, firstly, I would like to mention our supervisor, Muradova Ludmila, who helped us a lot to solve all appearing problems, showed us the proper direction, and just did her best in order to support us during our project work. So let's start.
Good part of the day. My name is Nirfais. So, in this presentation, we will speak about following topics. First of all, we will introduce main topic to you. Then we explain subtopics like experience of European Union in assessment, tools of digital transformation, experience of Uzbekistan in assessment digital transformation, and we compare with European Union. European Union methods that can be adopted in Uzbekistan to assess digital transformation, and we will conclude all the above topics.
So our first part of presentation is an introduction. Now we are going to discuss it. Our introduction, as you can see, is divided also into three sections, which are general information about digital transformation, relevance of our work, and the last one is aim and objectives of our presentation. So, digital transformation has become a significant phenomenon in the modern world. It refers to the integration of digital technologies in various aspects of society. For example, let's say the businesses, governments, and even the individuals. In the last years, the EU has placed a high priority on digital transformation, recognizing its potential to drive economic growth and social progress. So, in short, you consider the digital transformation uh, as the accelerator for the economic growth and social progress. What's about the relevance? EU pays high attention in its digital single market strategy, which aims to create a single market for digital goods and services across all the EU countries. Additionally, the COVID-19 pandemic has increased the need for digitalization. Therefore, it's crucial to understand how the EU assesses digital transformation to ensure effective policy formulation and implementation. And the last one is the aim of this presentation. And our aim is to examine how the EU assesses digital transformation and provide recommendations in digital transformation to Uzbekistan. To achieve this goal, the following objectives, we also can say the following steps will be used. And our first step is identifying the key indicators and criteria used by the EU and Uzbekistan to assess digital transformation. The second is to analyze the strengths and the limitations of the EU's and Uzbekistan's approach to assessing digital transformation. Next step is to evaluate the effectiveness of the EU's and Uzbekistan's policies and initiatives to promote digital transformation. And the last and the most important step is let's say the step aim is providing recommendations for improving the Uzbekistan's assessment and promotion of digital transformation. So our main goal is we kind of say that firstly discover the um, use digital transformation and then based on the use um, experience provide the recommendations for the Uzbekistan.
The European Union has been at the forefront of digital transformation initiatives with a focus on creating a digital single market (DSM) and promoting digital innovation. As part of its efforts, the European Union has developed a range of assessment tools to measure the progress and impact of digital transformation. In this section, the experience of the European Union in developing and implementing these assessment tools will be explored. One of the most prominent assessment tools developed by the European Union is the Digital Economy and Society Index, DESI. DESI is a composite index that measures the digital performance of European Union countries based on five key dimensions: connectivity, human capital, use of the internet, integration of digital technology, and digital public services. The index is based on a range of indicators including broadband connectivity, digital skills, use of online services, and e-government services. The AC provides an overview of the progress made by European Union countries in digital transformation and identifies areas for improvement. Uh, this is results of the 2022 Digital Economy and Society Index, published by the European Commission. It can be seen that Denmark, Norway, the Netherlands, and Sweden remain the European Union frontrunners. At the same time, countries like Greece, Bulgaria, and Romania are not performing well in digital transformation and showing result which is more than 10 score lower than middle result of European Union countries.
So the another assessment tool used by European Union is the European Innovation Scoreboard, which divide countries according to how innovative they are. So here you can see that countries are divided into four groups. So let's discuss these groups one by one. The Sweden continues to be the best performer in the EU, but there are also other countries like Finland, Denmark, and the Netherlands, who are also the innovation leaders in the EU. But except them, there are also countries like Luxembourg, Austria, Germany, France, who are also like showing the high results, but their performance is a bit worse than the innovation leaders. So they are in the above the EU average group. And next group of the countries are Estonia, Czechia, Italy, Spain, and they are in the moderate innovators group. And the last group is the emerging innovators. We can even like name this group the countries with the worst innovation. So these countries are Slovakia, Poland, Bulgaria, and Romania. And there is one more thing to mention. Almost all results are same with the DESI, and the high performing countries from DESI also high performing in this like scoreboard, but two countries like Italy and Greece are higher than showing higher results than it was in DESI. Now they in this scoreboard they are in the moderate innovators group. So there is the chart of this scoreboard, which explains everything much better. There are countries with dark green color. As I mentioned it before, these countries are Sweden and Finland, Denmark, who are the innovative leaders. The next group is the countries with the bright green. These countries are above the EU average. Next group is the moderate countries with the green color, and the last and the worst countries are with the red color. And the last tool used by the European Union is the European Regional Innovation Scoreboard, which score not the countries but the regions and the cities. And however, the best like cities are from the best countries, logically. So the most innovative cities are Stockholm from the Sweden, Helsinki Uusima from the Finland, and Copenhagen from the Denmark. So let's conclude about assessment tools used by the European Union. If we tell us very shortly, these assessment tools are really positive, affected the digital transformation because they show the where everything is like perfect and where there should be some more like improvements. So it just help us to find out countries with the problems, countries, regions with the problems to help them. And one more thing, there is also the negative side. And the most like of these scoreboards of these indexes focus on the how new like digital technologies are used instead of um, focusing on how they are social like positive or social negative. So what I want to say is that there are countries with the high using of the digital technologies, but they are not useful. So it's better to use another scoreboards, another assessment tools, which evaluate how digital technologies used by country are effective or not effective.
Uzbekistan is a country in Central Asia that has been experiencing a rapid transformation in recent years due to its embrace of digital technologies. The government of Uzbekistan has been actively promoting digital transformation as a means of modernizing the country's economy, improving the efficiency of government services, and embracing the quality of life for its citizens. So next slide. One of the key components of Uzbekistan's digital transformation strategy has been the development of a comprehensive assessment framework to evaluate the effectiveness of digital initiatives and identify areas for improvement. The assessment framework is based on a set of key performance indicators and KPIs that are used to measure progress and identify areas of success and potential challenges. The KPIs cover a range of areas related to digital transformation, including infrastructure development, government services, digital literacy, and, and the development of a digital ecosystem. The assessment framework is designed to be flexible and adaptive, allowing it to be customized to the specific needs and goals of different government agencies and initiatives. one of the main goals of Uzbekistan's digital transformation strategy is to increase access to high-speed internet and develop a robust digital infrastructure that can support the growth of e-commerce and other digital businesses. And to this end, the government has launched several initiatives to improve the country's digital infrastructure, including the construction of a new fiber optic network and the deployment of new mobile broadband networks. So another key area of focus for Uzbekistan's digital transformation strategy is the development of e-government services that can streamline government operations and improve the delivery of public services. And the government has launched several e-government initiatives, including a digital signature system that allow citizens to sign documents electronically, and a portal that provides online access to a range of government services. Uzbekistan has also been working to develop a vibrant digital ecosystem that can support the growth of digital businesses and promote innovation. The government has launched several initiatives to support the development of digital startups uh, and has established several innovation centers to promote collaboration between entrepreneurs, researchers, and investors.
So it may be kind of awkward to compare European Union and Uzbekistan in digital transformation because like European Union is the front runner in this sphere when Uzbekistan is only new player in this game. However, there are some things to discuss. So there are two crucial similarities between Uzbekistan and European Union in digital transformation, which are attention on digital infrastructure development and emphasis on e-government services, especially Uzbekistan pay high attention to use digital transformation in order to improve the e-government services. Um, but as I mentioned before, there is the really high difference in digital transformation experience. Uzbekistan only started to doing this when European Union is the kind of um, started to doing it. And one more thing, one more difference is the focus of digital transformation efforts. What I mean that European Union mostly uses the digital transformation for improving the healthcare sphere, the finance, also the education. So let's say the social spheres. But meanwhile, the Uzbekistan uses it only for the infrastructure development and e-government services.
The European Union has been at the forefront of digital transformation, having established various initiatives, policies, and frameworks to support digitalization across the bloc. Uzbekistan, a country in Central Asia, has also been actively pursuing digital transformation with a particular focus on improving digital infrastructure, promoting e-government services, and improving a vibrant digital ecosystem as Uzbekistan seeks to advance its digital transformation strategy. There are several methods and practices used by the European Union that could be adopted to enhance the country's digital transformation assessment. So one of the method used by the European Union that can be adopted and in Uzbekistan is the development of a comprehensive digital agenda. The European Union's digital single market strategy, for example, is a comprehensive plan that seeks to remove barriers to cross-border digital services, promote investment in digital infrastructure, and increase the use of digital technologies across different sectors. Uzbekistan could develop a similar strategy that outlines specific goals, targets, and KPIs for its digital transformation agenda, and this would provide a clear roadmap for the country's digital transformation and help to ensure that progress is tracked and evaluated effectively. Another method used by the European Union that could be adapted in Uzbekistan is the development of a comprehensive assessment framework for digital transformation initiatives. The European Union has established several frameworks and technologies for evaluating the impact of digitalization, including the Digital Economy and Society Index (DESI) and the European Innovation Scoreboard. And these frameworks assess different aspects of digital transformation, including digital infrastructure, digital skills, and the use of digital technologies in different sectors. Uzbekistan could develop a similar assessment framework that covers different aspects of digital transformation and establishes clear KPIs for measuring progress. Finally, the European Union has established several initiatives to promote the development of a digital ecosystem, including support for digital startups and the establishment of innovation centers and the development of a supportive regulatory environment for digital businesses. Uzbekistan could adopt similar initiatives to encourage the growth of digital businesses and promote innovation. This could include the establishment of startup incubators, the development of a regulatory framework that supports digital businesses, and provision of funding and support for digital innovation.
So this is the last part of our presentation, the conclusion part. Here I would like to mention one more time what we have done during our presentation. And firstly, we identified key indicators and criteria used by European Union and Uzbekistan to assess digital transformation. And also, we analyzed the strengths and limitations of the EU's and Uzbekistan's approach to assessing digital transformation. There is one more thing we have done. This is the evaluating the effectiveness of the EU's and Uzbekistan's policies and initiatives to promote digital transformation. And the last thing we have done, and the most important, the vital and really crucial thing, is providing recommendations for improving the Uzbekistan's assessment and promotion of digital transformation. And I really would like to thank everyone who watched this presentation, who watched this on video. I I'm really grateful to all of you for paying attention. I hope you will do well. So take care of yourself. Have a nice day.